Say it with me. Every dollar I spend comes back to me times 10. Every dollar I spend comes back to me times 10. Make sure you say it like you mean it.
Okay, my loves, if you keep thinking the same way about money, you'll keep getting the same results. God did not put you here to live in lack. He gave you the ability to create wealth. So let's talk about how to reprogram your money mindset so you can finally step into abundance, okay? I'm Robin Milan, and make sure that you like, subscribe, and share, and I'll be back at the end with the rest of my commentary.
You're not broke because you don't have money. You're broke because you're afraid of moving it. So let's be real. You're not stuck because you're lazy. You're stuck because you treat money like it's too delicate to move. You obsess over every dollar that's leaving your account. $20 here, a little copy there. You're micromanaging money like it's your only shot. Meanwhile, wealthy people are flipping capital and not holding it. They're not afraid to invest. They're not afraid to lose because they know that money multiplies when it moves. Think about it like this. Every dollar that you spend is a worker. Instead of locking yours away, you gotta put it to work. The rich don't worship safety. They trust their ability to bounce back, expand, and recreate. That is literally the only difference. You've been taught that being smart with money means never risking it. But true financial power is knowing how to circulate it, how to grow it, and how to reinvest it without emotional panic. Money does not grow by clinging to control. It grows when you stop trying to save your way to wealth and start actually trusting in what you have to offer and what you can build. Your problem isn't lack of money. It's a lack of belief in your ability to do something powerful with it. So repost this if this hit for you, because somebody else definitely needs to hear it too. Don't forget to follow because I post daily on TikTok so we can grow together.
Your money has to work for you. Working for the rest of your life, saving your money and spending is not going to make you wealthy. We know a lot of people that work so hard and they got good jobs and they might own a home, but they're not wealthy. Yeah. That takes a different type of being to say, I'm breaking this generational curse. And it's on me, not the government, not my job, not the school system. I'm the one that's going to do this. But you have to rewire your brain and unlearn a lot of what the system has embedded in your mind, what you grew up around. But what if we live that life and we pass it down and our kids are set? How do we go from becoming an owner versus the consumer? Me, I got to trick myself into believing that my current reality does not dictate my financial future.
Before you get some money, know what you're going to do with it. But at the same time, before you get that money, don't spend it in your head yet. Know how you're going to invest in it.
I don't save money, I don't budget, I just simply make more money. And my view on money is kind of controversial. I've told it to a couple of my friends and they actually think it's pretty interesting, so I'll let you guys in on the secret. I don't know if it's a secret, but it's just the way that I view money. The way that I view money is an energy exchange, and I view it like this. Money should have zero effect on your life, meaning that if you focus so much on saving and penny pinching every single dollar and saving and being the person that sends a Venmo request of $2 for a Sonic Icy, no, you are so selfish with your money, you're so stingy with your money, you are letting it have so much power over you that you can't even focus on making more. My focus is this: I follow my creativity, I follow my passions, I follow my skill sets, and then the money just literally comes. It literally, it cannot get away from me. And I truly, I've believed that my whole life. I mean, I'm a millionaire at 23, so it makes sense, but you have to view money as a tool rather than a hindrance. You have to view it as a positive energy exchange of if I go balls to the walls, follow my creativity, follow my authentic, true hard work, money's always going to come no matter what I do. And it's the people that budget, focus so hard on numbers and blah, blah, blah. It's money has so much control over you. That is not a life I want to live. Also, it literally keeps you broke because you're focusing so much on saving. And you're not focusing enough on just figuring out better ways to create wealth. And before you say I'm irresponsible or whatever, I'm not. I have multiple six figures in investments, real estate, it's all put away. I'm actually very smart with my money because I worked for it. I worked for my money, so I'm going to be smart with it. But I'm not going to, if I want to go to the spa, I'm not going to be oh my God, it's $300 for a day pass at the spa. I'm gonna go to the fucking spa, because myself at a spa, maintaining that energy is going to make me more money when I'm able to get on calls and make business decisions that make me hundreds of thousands of dollars.
I have one for you. I have come that they may have life and have it more abundantly, have it more full. That's John 10:10. Like, this verse isn't just about spiritual abundance. It is about fulfillment in every area of your life, including your finances. God has no problem with you prospering. In fact, prosperity allows you to do more good, reach more people, and live out your purpose without the chains of financial stress. The second thing is you got to identify 3 to 5 limiting beliefs about money. And I do talk about that in my course. And here's a few beliefs that I know from just growing up. The first belief is money is the root of all evil. The truth is, the love of money is the root of all evil, not money itself. Money is a tool. It takes on the intention of the person who use it, okay? So I have an affirmation for you. Money is a resource I use for good. The more that I have, the more good that I can do, okay? Listen, let me say that again for you. Money is a resource I use for good. The more that I have, the more good that I can do, okay? The second belief is I'm not meant to be wealthy. That's the second belief system that you need to break, that you are not meant to be wealthy. And the truth is, abundance is your birthright, as I mentioned in the last video. Lack is not a calling. It is a condition that can be changed, okay? So I have another affirmation that I would love for you to just hold on to. Then I have an affirmation that can help you. So repeat after me. I am worthy of wealth, and I walk in the overflow God created for me. I am worthy of wealth, and I walk in the overflow God created for me. All right. The third belief people always have is if I have more, someone else will have less. Girl. That is far from the truth. Wealth is not a pie that runs out, okay? Money is always moving, and the value always creates more. All right, listen, you are not taken from someone else. So say it with me. My wealth creates opportunities and blessings for others. My wealth creates opportunities and blessings for others, girl. I'm telling you, listen. The next belief is I have to work harder to earn. Okay, no. So this is the truth. Wealth comes from working smarter, multiplying resources, and leveraging skills, not the burnout. So here it is, and say it with me. If you have been struggling with this belief, I use my mind, my skills, and my resources to create multiple streams of income. I use my mind, my skills, and my resources to create multiple streams of income. And the last common belief is I'll never get ahead because of where I started. Girl, no. Your starting point is not your final destination. Every wealthy person started somewhere. So let's go ahead and erase that belief now with this last affirmation. Every step I take moves me closer to my wealthy season. Every step I take moves me closer to my wealthy season. Okay. So, Rych Babes, reprogramming your mindset is about repetition. Every day, speak these affirmations, visualize the life that you want, and take at least one action towards it. Whether it's learning a new skill, starting a new side hustle, or setting boundaries around your spending. Okay. You got to speak it. You got to see it. You got to step into it. When you align your thoughts and your words and your actions with abundance, your reality starts to shift, okay? So, and here's a little challenge for you. I have a challenge for you, all right? So, for the next 7 days, replace every negative money thought with a faith-filled, empowering one. Write it down, speak it out loud, and take one small action every day towards your financial freedom. All right. And watch how the doors open up for you. Okay. You got to believe, and then you got to go out and do. So if you are ready to go deeper, my Rych Mindset Mastery course, Mastering Her, will walk you through step by step through the mindset shifts, the strategies, and the actions to help you walk into your wealthy season by mastering her. The link is in the description box below, and your rich life is waiting, girl. So become the woman who walks in the room and make people wonder. Secure the bag, protect your peace, girl, and stay rich, rich babes. Love you.